We just saved $68 today by shopping at Walgreens using only our phone without having to become an extreme couponer. A lot of people think couponing means you're grabbing a bunch of nonsense that you're never going to use, but that is definitely not what I teach you guys on my channel. Not only do I show you super easy digital coupon deals, I show you exactly how to do it, and I'm always encouraging you guys to make sure you are only doing deals on products that you actually need. So first I did an online order so I could earn back a bunch of Walgreens cash. Then I used that and rolled that to be able to get products I need like Dove body wash and Pampers diapers for my son. So stay tuned in this video. I'm going to break it all down for you. I also have a super easy $24 challenge that you guys can do in store to grab a variety of products, including paper towels and toilet paper. If you're new here, hi, I'm Bree. I help you save money using only your phone so you can use that money towards what really matters, like paying off your debt, growing your emergency fund, or taking your family on an annual vacation. So if that's something you're interested in, you should definitely hit that subscribe button and stick around. For all of the free printable breakdowns, they're going to be below for you guys in the description box. All of the deals that I'm doing in store aren't in the breakdown. Some of them are only in the video, so definitely stay tuned. At the end, I also tell you if I had any issues at checkout, what to expect. Are the register rewards printing, the whole 9 yards? So if you stay till the end, you'll have a very clear understanding of how to feel confident that you can go to Walgreens and do the exact same deals. So let's head inside and get started. First, I'm going to share with you a curbside pickup deal. So I'm going to place the order in store just so I can make sure that they have the products that I need. I'm going to place that order. Then I'm going to show you guys a super easy $22 challenge that you guys can do this week using only your phone. So for the pickup order, I'm doing it online because there's the digital booster for spend $45 on select PG products, get $15 in Walgreens cash. So what I'm going to do for that is the deal on Secret, Gillette, and Old Spice. These are buy one, get one half off. Online, there's a booster for buy four, get $4 in Walgreens cash. They're a little bit cheaper online. In store, they are buy four, get an $8 register reward. But like I said, we're going to also get back the $15 in Walgreens cash, so it's going to end up being a lot cheaper online. Plus, we're stacking it with Rakuten cash back. So if you're new to Rakuten, that link will be below for you guys. It's an absolutely amazing website and app. When you shop online, you're earning cash back. So if you guys have been on my channel for any amount of time, you know if you're going to be spending the money anyways, you may as well get rewarded for it. So what I'm going to do is grab 3 of the Secret. Has to be this type here because we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Plus, this works with the I bought a rebate for $4 cash back when you buy 3. The fourth product I'm going to grab is going to be on the Old Spice for 2 reasons. 1, there is a $2 cashback offer on Ibotta, and 2, it's a product I actually use. So I'm going to grab one of these here. They're $10.99 online, so a little bit cheaper. There is a $1 off 1 digital coupon. If you don't want to do that, some accounts got a $3 off 1 digital for the Gillette Clear Shield, so you can grab that instead. Totally up to you. Always make sure you're grabbing products you actually need. Next, I'm grabbing 2 of the Gillette Shave Foam. These are buy one, get one half off as well, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. The last 2 products I'm grabbing to get over the $45 mark is going to be on the Herbal Essences. These are $7 each on sale, and we have a 6 off 2 digital coupon. Now that I placed that order, we're going to start with the $22 challenge. So our first transaction, we're going to grab the Axe. You want to get the sticks. They are the cheapest ones, but these are sold out. So I'm going to grab one of the sprays that are $8.29. They're also buy 2, get a $3 register reward, and we have a 7 off 2 digital coupon. That'll leave me to pay $5.43, earn back a $3 register reward, makes it $2.43 for 2 of them. Then you're going to grab some Colgate. So these are $4.50 on sale this week, and buy 2, get a $4 register reward. In the Walgreens app, we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So you would pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, and makes them only 50 cents a piece. Next, we're going to grab the Tom's of Maine Kids toothpaste. These are buy one, get one half off. Buy 2, get a $2 register reward, and we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So clip that. You'll pay $5.18 out of pocket, get back a $2 register reward. It makes it $3.18 for 2 of them, or $1.59 a piece. The last deal in our first transaction is on Aussie products. There's a ton of different ones that are $5. Grab whatever 2 that you want. They are buy 2, earn a $2 register reward, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of them will bring you to $10. After the coupon, you pay $7, earn back a $2 register reward, makes them pretty much buy one, get one free, or $2.50 a piece. Now, let me show you everything in this transaction and how the math is going to work out. So these 8 products are going to be in your first transaction. So you go to the register, you type in your phone number, they scan these 8 products. Total is $41.62. But then we have $19 in digital coupons coming off. So you'll pay $22.62 plus taxes out of pocket. Then you're going to earn back all of your register rewards. So we are going to get back a 4, a 3, a 2, and a 2, which is going to be a total of $11 in register rewards, which we're going to use in our second transaction. So let's go do some more deals. Next, we're stocking up on our paper products. So we're going to do the Brawny deal. These are $6.49 each. Buy 2, get a $5 register reward. And we have a $1 off 1 digital coupon. So you're going to grab 2 packs. After the digital coupon comes off, you're at $11.98. So this is your second transaction. You're then using the $11 in register rewards you earned from your first transaction. You'll be left to pay 98 cents plus taxes out of pocket. And the $5 register reward is going to print, which we're going to use on our last transaction. And to go along with our paper towels, of course, we need some toilet paper. So we're going to do the Scott toilet paper deal. They're buy one, get one half off. You're going to grab 2. Then we are going to use the 2 off 2 digital coupon in the Walgreens app. That'll leave you to pay $5.50. But we have a $5 register reward we just earned from our second transaction. Use that, give it to the cashier. You're going to be paying 50 cents plus taxes out of pocket. So in total, for all of these products, you only paid $24.10 plus taxes out of pocket. You grabbed a total of $62 worth of products. That makes your savings 61%. So with the money you save, you can now put that into your emergency fund, in your high yield savings account, put it towards your debt or maybe a family vacation. But that way you're not paying full price. Just don't leave it in your checking account because I guarantee you it will disappear. I have a couple more deals I'm going to do and then we'll check out and I'll let you guys know how everything goes. The next deal I'm doing is on Dove body wash. So these are $8 each this week. And when you buy 2 in store, you'll get back a $5 register reward. Clip the $4 off 2 digital coupon. So you're going to end up paying $12, getting back the $5 register reward, makes it $7 for 2 of them or $3.50 a piece. The last deal I'm doing is on diapers because you know I need them for my son. If you are getting anything for like a baby shower or something, or you're a mom to be, stock up on diapers anytime you can. And there's a super good deal this week at Walgreens. They're 2 for $21. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. I actually just checked. These do count towards the P&G booster online, and there's buy 2 get $4 and Walgreens cash online. So I'm going to put together a separate scenario. I'll be posting that later because this would be an amazing deal. I'm going to do it in store though, so I can roll my rewards for a lower out-of-pocket cost. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So you would pay $18, get back a $4 register reward, makes them only $7 a piece. At Walmart, they are $10.97. So that's a really good savings. So my first transaction personally, I did the deal online for all of the deodorant and the Gillette Foamy and the herbal essences. Paid about $36 out of pocket, got back $19 in change in Walgreens cash. Plus I had a little bit on my account. So I have $20 in Walgreens cash available. So I'm going to use that in this first transaction. So total for all of these products is a little over $36.23. Then, after all of the digital coupons come off, I would be left to pay $21.23, but I have $20 in Walgreens cash. So I'm going to pay only $1.23 out of pocket. Plus, I'm going to get back a $5 register reward, $4 register reward, and a $3 register reward that I'm going to use in my final transaction. And my last transaction, I'm going to do the diapers. They are 2 for $21 minus a $3 digital coupon. Then I will be using the $12 in register rewards I just earned, paying only $6 plus taxes out of pocket, and I'll still get back a $4 register reward. So in total, I paid $36 for my online order. Then I'm earning $6 cash back on that order from Ibotta. I'm paying $1.23 out of pocket for my second transaction and $6 out of pocket for my third transaction. So my final cash cost is a little over $37. But the retail value of all these products, even being on sale, is $105.77. So I'm saving 65% today. So about 68 bucks that I just saved, I'm going to be using to put towards my emergency fund and paying off my debt. Let's go check out and I'll let you guys know if I have any issues. All right, we are back in from Walgreens. Everything went great. I handed the cashier all of the products for the online order. That way he didn't have to go find them. I already found them and just gave them to him. So it made it really easy. So I paid $36.33 out of pocket. I did use $2 in Walgreens cash. Then I earned back from Ibotta $6.25, which is also 3 different rebates towards my midweek bonus. Then in store, my first transaction, I did the Axe deal like I showed you guys. The digital coupons came off. I rolled all of the register rewards that I just earned. I'm sorry. I used all the Walgreens cash that I just earned. I was like, wait a minute. I paid $4.42 out of pocket for this. Then I did earn back all of the register rewards from this deal. And my last transaction, I had a paper spend booster for spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. I wasn't using any Walgreens cash on this transaction because you can't do that with a paper booster. So it wound up working out. All the digital coupons came off. I used all the register rewards as well, paid $6 even out of pocket for this. And then I did earn back the $4 register reward as well that I'm going to be saving for next week. So now, most importantly, we're going to go home and enter this into our budget spreadsheet so we can see to the penny exactly how much money we saved, factoring in all of the cash back, all of that. And that way I can then put some of that towards my debt, put some of it towards my emergency fund, travel fund, holiday savings, you name it. So many more important things that we can be doing with our money than using it to buy toilet paper and things like that we're literally going to throw down the drain. So let's head home. I'll show you in my super easy spreadsheet exactly how I do it. If you want a copy of my spreadsheet, I'll link it below for you guys. That way you can grab it or make it yourself. I paid someone to build mine. That way it specifically has the couponing section. A lot of spreadsheets I found on Etsy and online were just like normal spreadsheets, had nothing to do with couponing. So as a couponer, always earning cash back and things, I needed one that will factor that in. So let me show you. So we are back home from Walgreens. What I do is immediately come to my computer, open up my spreadsheet. It is a Google Drive spreadsheet, so you can use it on a computer, a Mac, an Android, a tablet, a desktop, your phone, it doesn't matter. I made it this way, that way you can use it on any device. So if you guys want it, I'll link it above where it says get spreadsheet here. It's $8, or you can buy somebody else's, but you've got to make sure that you are grabbing one that handles couponing trips and making sure that you are just tracking your spending. It's so, so important. That was probably the one thing that I resisted for the longest time because I was like, oh, it's going to take so much time. This is going to be so not fun. Bear with me. Watch how it takes us 60 seconds to do this, okay? So we are on the August tab. We're going to do 1 line per receipt. I have 3 receipts, so we're doing 3 lines, okay? So date. It is the 10th. In the drop down, picking the store. Sale price, the total of all of the products on sale that you purchased. So we have my first one was the online order, which was $48.15 worth of products. Out of pocket, I paid $36.33, and I earned back $6.25. Next transaction was in store. And the product value on this one, let me add it up. So the Axe, or the Dove body wash is $16. The Axe was buy one, get one half off. And the 2 Colgate were $4.50 each, so $9. So we're at $37.43. So over here I put $37.43. Out of pocket on this one was $4.42 and no cash back. And my last transaction was $21. It was the Pampers. Paid $6 even out of pocket and no cash back. So it's going to calculate the total percentage saved per transaction. And then it's going to add up how much money you saved. And then it's going to show you right here. So the first week, what I've been doing is putting the total amount to my debt payments. And I've been making those payments every week. That way they're micro payments. instead of waiting till the end of the month, it just helps you pay off your debt a lot faster to make the multiple payments instead of just one. So you can either split this in half and do half towards your emergency fund, half towards your debt, whatever you want to do. What I'm going to do is put the full amount towards my debt. So today I saved $66.08. So I'm going to open up my Nelnet account and make that payment now. So if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.